Hey, welcome back, everybody. I want to quickly show you guys. I got my hands on the Insta360 X4. Uh, these are the new.
Previous
Hey,
lens guards. I was a
yeah,
little late.
yeah.
Sorry about that.
Hey, you're running a little late
Yeah,
today.
yeah. Sorry about that, people.
Okay, yeah. So these are the new premium lenses that just got released. Or
Wow.
well, they actually didn't get released, but they're available. These are similar to the plastic ones that actually came, which these are considered the standard ones from the
Also, isn't that the
Insta360.
tempered glass?
Yes, that's right. Good point. Yes,
Yay.
this is the tempered glass. These are actually tempered glass. So remember, the premium
Oh
is
yeah,
a
I
temper.
forgot something.
Oh yeah.
Today we're gonna have two friends. We're gonna have
Oh,
Penguini and Cutie. So
hey,
let's,
Pinguini and
yeah.
Cutie. Thanks
yeah.
for joining us.
We just wanted. What are you guys looking at today?
Oh, we're looking at the premium lens guard for the Insta360 X4.
Cool. We'll
Is
stay
this?
back. That way it doesn't focus on us. Okay.
Okay, thanks. You guys can sit and relax and then join us in this video and help us out. So yeah, again, these are tempered glass, and the ones that came origin or come with the package is the plastic. What I've noticed is that it does. Let me see. What I've noticed that on the plastic ones, it kind of like if we had like a bit of a like sun and glare, it actually kind of sort of affected the way the video came, kind of showed up a little bit on the, on the video itself. It was a little bit glary. So
And
let's,
also, tempered glass is a very strong, like glass.
mhm.
You can tell because temper is when you're very, very mad. So it's like
Yeah.
the tempered glass is mad. So when you hit it with something, it just boom.
Yeah. So yeah, it is much stronger. So as you
Yeah,
can see
it's
here,
strong.
they got that
Yeah,
picture. Kind of, it's more like an action camera. So if you're gonna take it in a rugged environment, so
yeah.
you want to
If,
keep the
like for
tempered ones,
example,
right? The premium ones.
yeah, for like example, if we go to Mammoth
Hmm.
and we have a bike crash, it won't break the lens because it's hard glass.
Correct. Yeah, because they'll protect your actually lens in that X4, so
The
that's
only
much
reason
better.
we won't be able to use it is if it breaks.
Yeah, which hopefully not. So let's okay. Let me go ahead and open this up.
Yeah.
We should actually invest in.
Yeah.
We should invest in a nice little cutting knife instead of
yeah.
using a screwdriver.
Yeah. Today
So,
we're gonna be using a screwdriver.
so yeah, here we go. We're opening this up.
Let's see what it looks like.
Yeah. So let's see what it looks like.
I feel like I want it already.
Yeah. You wanna open it up for us?
Sure, I love to.
Okay.
Oh, this is not it. That's
No.
more like a little.
It actually comes with. It looks like it comes with. That's nice that they provide a little pouch, so when you're not using the lens covers, you can actually put this inside inside that pouch. So that's pretty nice.
Okay, guys, there they are. Let me
Oh
go
wow.
ahead and open these up. Open that one and now
Okay.
open this one up.
Let me open this one up here. So again, these are very easy to install and take out. So that's pretty nice. They almost feel like actually, they almost feel like if they're plastic too. But
Let's compare them to that. Let's see how
let's
it
see.
feels compared to that.
Okay, let me.
Oh, it feels like a little stronger.
Oh yeah, you're right. It does feel
Wait,
stronger.
does it make the same sound? Yeah, but it is stronger.
So we'll do this. Let's make sure we'll take one of these plastic ones, and let's go ahead and I'll see how easy this is to put it installed in here.
This kind of feels like a stretch ball.
Oh, you can hear the difference right now. Just listen to this. Let's. You hear that? Let's put the plastic one. You hear that difference? That's the plastic one.
Okay, let's do them at the same time
Right.
and hear the difference.
That's the plastic one, and that's the glass one.
What is it called? The tempered glass makes a louder noise than the plastic.
Yeah.
So I can tell.
And this one actually has some little bit of fingerprints in here. So
yeah.
we'll go ahead and let me get a little rag here that we
I'm
have.
gonna pray to God that there's stickers in here. Please have stickers in here.
Like I have stickers. So there we go. That's nice and clean there. So we're gonna go ahead again. It's I'm sure it has.
Seriously?
And actually, this the way in case you do happen to have both of these, and then you mix them up, you'll be able to tell the difference. The plastic one actually has a blue dot there, and the premium one has a little red dot here. So that's pretty good. Look, guys can see the difference.
They don't have stickers in this.
They don't have stickers? Oh wow.
They should add stickers to that. And if one of you guys gets stickers and you don't want them, just send them to us, because I love stickers.
Yeah, you do like stickers, huh?
I love stickers.
And then again, it's very easy to install, just like the other one, the previous one. You just turn it here.
And also, we'll have new merch coming out soon, and we'll make some gaming videos, right?
Yeah, we're trying to get some gaming.
Imagine we mix them up.
It's okay, because remember, the premium ones have that little red dot.
Oh, the premium ones?
Yeah, see that little red dot I was showing everybody? See, the premium has a red dot, and the plastic ones have a blue dot.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. So let me see if I'm going to put this other one back here.
Well, imagine someone's colorblind and they get it wrong.
Yeah, that might be a little on the trouble side. Okay, so yeah, it looks like you have to kind of like push down and then turn it so you can get them in place. So that means you just kind of have to go in there a lot. I think these lock in there a lot stronger in there in place. Okay, so that looks like there it goes. So they're a little bit on the tighter side to put them on. But see, there we go. We got the glass. And actually, doesn't it look like it's actually more bubbly?
It looks like it's more bigger than
yeah, it does.
Let's compare it.
Yeah, let me see. Let me take one out. I'll put one of these out. Just kind of show you guys.
Let's compare it to it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
So the plastic one is a little bit smaller than the
Yeah, it is.
One.
You can see right away, can't you?
Yeah. Because look at.
See the difference?
See the difference between
this is the standard, which is the plastic
one,
and this is the tempered glass.
The tempered glass. You can already see the difference.
Yeah, you can see a big bubble. And you know what? And that probably is going to help with the if you have anything where there's a lot of sun. Being that it's more separated, I think, away from the glass, it's not going to have that reflection. So let's go.
As small as this. Well, it's probably as big as a small sun. Do you think?
Yeah. So let's go do we'll do a quick test. Actually, you know what? I'll leave this one on here, and then all I have to do is, since it's a 360 camera, we just switch it, go like this when we're recording, and then go like this.
You think we should go and connect this video with the other one?
Yeah, we'll add it on here, and then let's go test it out, and we'll be right back.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's go.
Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll test this out. As you can see, this back one this is actually the standard one, which is the plastic lens, and you can see behind me there's not that much sun, but can't get no glare or anything. So kind of show you guys, but this one over here, this is actually the tempered glass one. So you guys can see, hopefully I'll show the difference in the clarity of the video. And also, for some reason, I don't know why, but the plastic one is actually getting a little on the foggy side. I don't know why. You guys can, I can see that right now. It's foggy enough for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's just the weather outside right now. It is a little on the cold side. So I don't know if that's what's causing it. But again, this is the tempered glass one, and that one's actually very clear. There's nothing wrong with that one. It's not fogged up or anything. There's no sun, so yeah. Hope this helps you guys with this video here to decide which one would you guys want to purchase. Again, like I said, the standard is no problem, but in this case right now, it is fogging up. I don't know why. As you guys can see that here, all the way around here. Don't know what's going on here. So yeah, so okay, so we'll see. I'll put the testing videos on there as well to see how they came out. So we won't know until I'll edit those in.
I'm late again.
You're late again. You were out there playing, huh? But
Yeah,
that's okay.
I keep forgetting. Sorry, guys.
Hey, no problem. But yeah, thanks for helping us out here. But yeah, we'll put the video there and see how good this the difference. Yeah, the difference in the lens.
We'll test them out outside. like we already did.
Well, we already did, yeah. So
Yeah, sorry
we'll put the
about that.
video in here and we'll edit it and see how it comes out. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate that. You know, you guys can
You
subscribe.
guys can watch us,
Yes, thanks for if you guys can give us a thumbs up,
like and subscribe,
hmm
and
hit that notification bell.
yeah,
Don't forget.
thanks
Yeah.
for reminding me.
Hey, no problem. So yeah,
And also, we're gonna have new merch coming out soon.
hopefully.
We're gonna make our gaming videos.
So yeah, once again, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.